try to make sure that doesn't happen. There you go. There we go, see? Yep, perfect. There we go. You feel that all the way down?
Yes, sir.
All right. Drop this in my hand now. That's it. Yes, sir. Okay, nice deep breath through your nose. Oh, yeah. Good job. Now, see, she just handles that like a trooper. Because once you've had it done, and the scar tissue's out of there, there we go, perfect. Let all your out. Oh yeah. Now you should have felt that all the way down. Did you?
Yes, I did.
Okay. I got it. There it is. I got you. Put your hands on your tummy. There you go. That's it. Good job. There you go. Just like that. Boy, that was one of the easiest ones we did. That was smooth as silk. And he's been kicking the whole week, so. Yeah. I got you. There you go. Okay, let me have this one tilt left a little bit. There it is. Okay. Nice breath through your nose. Oh, yeah. Feel that all the way down, Jeffrey? All right. See, he's no pro at this, and yes, he is still kicking. Okay. Just let your head relax in my hand. Perfect. Yep. Nice deep breath in. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Good. There we go. Yes, sir. Good job. Let all your out, but keep your teeth together. Just like that.
Oh my God.
You feel that go all the way down?
I don't know what I felt.
There you go. Just like that. That was smooth as silk, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
And she's still kicking. Okay. Yep. Perfect. Good job. Mm-hmm. Just like that. Perfect. Oh yeah.
Oh, that was awesome.
That's why we call it Ring Dinger. Yep.
That's great.
Yeah, he's still kicking everybody. They're all just waiting on the day somebody don't get off this table. But it hadn't happened in 35 years, so. There we go. That's it. Perfect. Good job. Now she didn't even look at that. She wasn't scared a bit. Alright. Perfect. Yes, sir. There you go. Mm-hmm. Just let it go.
Oh,
yeah, very nice.
Jesus.
That had 3 lumbar surgeries, fusion surgeries with instrumentation. Oh yeah. I know you felt that all the way down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Good job. Just like that. Yes. Home run.
Ring Dinger.
There we go. Good girl. Okay. That's it.
Ooh.
There we go. Perfect. Her head on. There you go. Caught you by surprise on that one. Oh, you didn't say your usual.
Oh, that was a surprise.
Yeah, no, hang on. Don't get up yet. That a girl. I'm not done with you yet. Drop this in my hand. Yeah, I got one more. There it is. How'd I know that? There we go. Good. There you go. That was easy, wasn't it? Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Boy, oh boy. Good. Okay, let me have your head. That's it. Good job. Crack addicts are gonna love you. There we go. Okay. There we go. Justin's been anticipating some of my adjustments, so I'm trying to catch him between tightening up, which is working pretty good actually. There we go. Boy, that was a home run.
Man.
Take a breath through your nose. Let it all the way out. There you go. There we go. Good. Just like that. Good job. There you go. Good. There you go. Oh yeah. Just let your neck relax in my hand here. Perfect. Crack addicts are gonna love you. There we go. Let it all relax. There we go. Boy, felt that one all the way down today. That's why we call it ring dinger, and you're still kicking. Good man. Better on the left after that adjustment. There we go. I got you. Let me get this one first.
So.
There we go. There, good. And relax. There you go. Good job. That they're not paralyzed. I just do it to check their reflexes. I'm gonna have you take a nice deep breath in. Exhale. Keep your teeth together. Oh yeah. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
So we're gonna adjust his cervical spine now with the Palmer diversified rotary brake. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Let all your out. Oh yeah. Let your head go in my hand. Good. Perfect. That's it. Yes ma'am. Okay, I'm going to get right up at your atlas and occiput here and get rid of that headache. Drop it in my hand. There you go. Atta girl.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. There we go. No, let me have you. There you go. There. Just like that. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. A manual spinal decompression on the spine. Okay. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yes.
Okay, you did really good on your first one. There we go. Okay, relax your leg. Yeah, see, he's still kicking. There you go. Drop this right in my hand here. There you go. Oh yeah. Should have felt that all the way down. Good. So we're going to do a Palmer diversified rotary brake on his cervicals. There we go. Man, moved earth on those. Just like that. Well, that was smooth as silk. Didn't hurt me a bit. He's still kicking. Alright. Tilt left just a little bit. There you go. That's it, man. Good job. Oh, yeah. Baby. Okay, let me have tilt right a little bit. There you go. Okay, tilt left a little bit. There you go, better. Exhale. There we go, good. Okay, we got most of these already. I'm just checking this. There's one more. Okay, good. Oh yeah, that's a home run. There you go. There. Exhale. There you go. Good. You should have felt that all the way down, Paul.
Yeah.
There. Drop it in my hand. There we go. Good job. And just relax it for me. Oh yeah. Now you should have felt that all the way down.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Yep, and he's kicking even better now. Feel the difference in your reflexes there?
Oh yeah.
Let your head relax in my hand here. There you go. That's it. Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and his whiniest patient of all, Renee.
Are you sure about that?
There you go. Good